Alright. No, stop it. Stop it. This is how we're playing this game. We're going to take turns, and what we're going to do is we're all going to go up by 1 from whatever the previous person hit on the bell. So if I hit 1, the next person is 2, next person is 3, next person hits 4, and it just continues going up. Alright. Next person's 5. Go do it. Go hit it. You can't bitch out like that. Alright. Luis, you're 6. Dalton, you're 7. Alright.
Get out of there!
Next person's 11.
Next one is 21.
You whore.
Oh no!
Bro, I was wondering if it was gonna kill anybody else.
Samurai 1. I am the king. I am the captain of this ship.